Hello! So this week was actually pretty fun. I did a lot of stuff. I hung out with friends a lot. I went out to dinner and got like crazy frozen yogurt stuff, which was awesome, and lots of other fun things I did. No! Oh God! This is just, oh, why am I outside of the house? Huh. Sort of looks like Lizzie's car. Wonder if that is her. Hey, it is her! What an idiot! Why is she at my house?
It's snowing! It's snowing hard!
You want to just go to Starbucks? That's what I thought we were doing.
Oh, I forgot.
Ah! That only lasted for literally 2 minutes. Look at how sunny it is now. I don't understand this world. Life is a complicated thing, and nature just makes me wonder who we are. Say hi! You didn't say hi.
I said hi.
You waved. There's a difference.
Same thing. Same message.
You know what? Right now, I am Skyping with my friend Pat, and he's being an asshole. Right? Asshole.
Exactly.
Exactly. He wants scrambled eggs, so I'm gonna have to make him some. Goodbye. Okay, we're at Caribou Coffee, and this is Carrie. Caribou, Carrie, get it? Look at her drink. It looks like a drink.
It's a chai tea latte.
Okay, now take a look at my drink. It looks like mud.
Blem, blem, blem.
Isn't that gross?
Looks like something you would get stuck in a Star Wars movie.
What are you... I think it just looks like, this dirt, or, like gross mud water. It just looks bad, but it tastes okay. Baristas are walking around. We're going out to dinner. Where are we going?
Going to Mago.
That was called Mago.
Mago.
That's how I strut. I just apparently jitter.
Jitter?
That's not sketchy. He gave us a dirty look. I'm not happy with that.
I think he gave you a good look, like a look.
You know, I look in the mirror and I give myself I'm gonna stop.
Today, you know the garden area of Canadians outside? Yeah. So I walked up to the side door, and they were scurrying down the street, and he said, what are you supposed to do? And I said, well, probably going to take a breeze to that guy's office.
Margaritas. I just gave my number to a waiter and I regret it. Ugh, my stupid hair is all natural and dumb today. Forgive it, please. Boy, I unplugged the light. That wasn't scary at all. Swirl Cup. They've got frozen yogurt and cupcakes. Yeah, you get the smallest one, I guess.
Pomegranate raspberry tart. Whoops.
Then you pull
What
it
did
down.
I do? Okay. There we go.
Whoa! Chino. Really, I'm getting cake batter. Right. What'd you get, Carrie?
Blackberry and vanilla and pomegranate.
What's on it?
Blackberry and cheesecake.
This place is amazing. I got cake batter flavor and Ghirardelli chocolate flavor with cookie dough pieces, cheesecake pieces, and butterfinger. It doesn't make any sense, but it's delicious. Was that week not super fun? Yes, it was fun. You had fun, I know you did. Oh, speaking of which, half my nail fell off. That was horrible and bloody and painful.